Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am finally doing a plan with me. I've had a couple of people asking if I completely stopped these. Life was just busy the last couple of weeks, so I wanted to go ahead and get this plan with me video done, and I thought what better way to do it than with the new release of Rongrong stickers by the Happy Planner. These were released today. I did do a haul and a flip through, so I will have that linked below if you guys are interested in seeing these sticker books a little bit better. I will have that video linked for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dive right in and get my week started for this week. The biggest thing I have going on this week is Ellie's birthday, and then my son Tank is actually getting evaluated for speech. So other than that, nothing really exciting going on, just those two things. So I'm just gonna start off by laying my washi down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go into the tiny sticker pad and kind of just go with like some boxes to kind of go with some type of color scheme. So I kind of went with just like the pinks, the blues, the pinks, pretty much the brights, you guys. I wanted bright colors for this week. It's supposed to rain again. Last week it literally rained the whole week. So this is my way of just brightening up my day, seeing as it's gonna be quite gloomy for the next 4 days. If you guys are joining along for the first time, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I do lots of planning, cleaning motivation, anything related to being a mama. I'm very diverse with all the type of videos I love to do. I just do everything that I enjoy, so I like to share that with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get my layout set up for you guys. I'm so excited for this release. This is hands down the best stickers in my opinion that Happy Planner has come out with. I think this was a very good move with them collaborating with Rongrong on these, because these girls are just gorgeous and they're giving me just major vibes, major woman empowerment vibes. I really love how this week's layout came together. I am so glad that I went out and I got these stickers, and I'm ready to just use all of them. I hope it gave you guys some inspiration to get up and use your planner and get your week planned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. On your way out, I'll see you in my next video.